Alright fit people, welcome once again to Home Workouts by Coach Remy. Today guys, we are going to work the biceps, triceps and shoulders. We are currently on day number 13. This workout will take a total of 11 minutes and we will work 30 seconds on, rest 15 seconds and then move on to the next exercise. If it's your first time on this channel, my name is Remy. I'm a certified personal trainer dedicated to bringing you fun and challenging workouts you can do at home or anywhere else that fits. So let's get right into our workout. All right, so we are going to need the 2 bottles. So we just do circles. Let's do circles. We are warming the elbow joint and also the wrist. Let's change the rotation, the direction of rotation. Okay, so next one we are going to be doing wrist circles. It's important to make sure that all the joints have been warmed up, so the warm-up helps with the initiation of synovial fluid. So when you're using the joint, the synovial fluid will be secreted in the joint. Change direction of rotation. Alright, now next one we're going to start immediately with the biceps. So you stand upright tall, and when you're curling you're rotating outward. So here the thumbs are facing the thighs, here they are facing up. Stand upright tall, feet at least hip width apart, not like this. The wider your stance, the more stable you will be, and avoid swinging. Elbows stays close to the rib cage. Okay, next one we are going to hammer curls. So the thumbs, if the thumbs are facing forward right now, they will continue. So here the thumbs are facing my shoulders, pointing to my shoulders. Stand as upright tall as you can and avoid swinging, and control the movement. Slowly up, slowly down, slowly up, slowly down. So time under tension is also important. And also you should always try to contract the muscle you are working. Now we do 90-degree bend in the elbow, and then we're just going to rotate. This will work the supinator and the pronators. So this will work the forearm, but the biceps are also in isometric contraction. So really rotate the forearm as much as you can. Okay, now we are going to do 1 down and then all the way up. Okay, first one we go halfway, we go back down, and then we go all the way up. All right, let's go halfway down and then all the way up. Okay, halfway down and then all the way up. Halfway, and make sure you're always controlling the weight of the bottles. halfway down, all the way up. Beautiful. Next one, we're going to work again the hammer curls. To do the hammer curls, so it's also an exercise for the biceps. Thumbs will continue to face forward, except here that they're pointing backward or pointing to our shoulders. Stand upright tall. Elbows should remain close to the rib cage. All right, so next one we are going to do extension, arm extension, and also bicep curls. So here I'm doing bicep curl and then arm extension. Let's go. And notice how I'm rotating the bottles when I'm here and also when I'm coming. Beautiful. We're going again to triceps kickback. So we bend forward, feet are hip width apart, and then we are just extending. The elbow joint as much as we can. Contract the triceps. Time under tension. Hold it 1 second and then come back. Hold it, come back. All right. One more for the triceps, and then we go again for and then we go to the shoulders. Okay, let's do overhead extension. Overhead arm extension. So really these workouts, if you are a beginner, you're welcome, and also if you're somewhere in between advanced, you can also do this workout at home. Now let's go to the shoulders. Now we do lateral raises. And my stance are, my feet are shoulder width apart, and then once I'm here I'm just stopping. Straight arms. Beautiful. Next one, we're going to front raise. So it's the same as what we were doing, except that now the arms are in front of us. You make sure the arms stay straight. No swinging. Time under tension is also important. You hold it here quite a little bit. Like 1 second. So the next exercise, we are going to do the combination of the two. So we raise here and then we go to lateral, we lower down, we come up, we bring to the front, we go down. Okay, let's go. And if you feel like if you have more time, you can do this workout again. If you feel like you're not feeling the exercises, you can do it 2 times. But if you're a beginner, I think 10 minutes in the first week will be good. Beautiful. Now we bend the elbows 90 degree. Now we just do raises like this. This works more the rear delt. Okay. And make sure you're holding it a little bit at this position, 1 second or so. Time under tension. Beautiful. And now we are going to go to biceps curls with the rotation during the movement. So you see the buttocks are facing backward, but here the bottom tops are facing one another. Beautiful. Has just ended. Thank you for being here with me. And guys, we've reached 300 people, so we are a class of 300 people. If you did enjoy this workout, share with 1 or 2 friends and tell them to subscribe. Invite them and tell them workouts every day. And if you really want guidance, you can reach out to me via Instagram or Facebook. I'm there to give you the tips, to tell you what you can tweak if you have a certain goal you want to reach. I'm a certified personal trainer dedicated to bringing you fun and challenging workouts. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go to 1,000 subscribers. We are together, we can do it. So that's by helping me, by sharing this to 1 or 2 friends. And yeah, so see you on day number 14, guys.